Think about your siblings, cousins, or maybe even future children. At some point in your life, you'll be faced with the issue of block scheduling. When faced with this issue, don't be afraid. When faced with this issue, vote for it and not against it. At first, you guys might not like block scheduling because you guys are so used to the 7 periods a day. But with a little bit of time and getting used to, I think you'll all come around. The problem with today's schedule is that not allow enough face time with the student to teach all the material. And only having 50 minutes in class is part of that problem. 7-hour class periods are good for having a variety of different classes throughout the whole year, and also giving the student more time to socialize between classes with other classmates. With only 50 minutes in class, it also makes it hard on math and science teachers to do a full and complete lab, making the lesson have to stretch out over the course of a few days. So, in case you guys aren't familiar with block scheduling, it's a type of schedule that allows you to have 4 classes a day instead of the original 7. It rotates on a 2-day rotation, so one day you'll go to classes 1 through 4, and the next classes 5 through 8. With that being so, you'd only have to go to these classes only a few times a week rather than every single day, which we not like. By allowing for these more time in classes, the teacher will be able to go into depth more and help out the student with the homework. So then, thus giving less homework to go home with yourself at night, and also you'll have to do it less on your own. For some science classes, having a longer time period will give you plenty enough time to even complete the full lab. Now, block scheduling would solve some of these problems, but it also does have some downsides to it. A few issues with block scheduling is the fact that with absent students. If you're an absent student, it would be very hard for them to actually catch up on the work that they missed, because they actually missed 90 minutes of class instead of just 50 minutes. But maybe having block scheduling would then decrease the number of absent students per year then. Also, not many teachers know how to teach for a full 50 or 90 minutes of class. To accommodate for this, they have to change their lessons plans to keep the students busy for the whole entire time. Paulie from Palo Alto High School in California says it was hard for him to pay attention for the full 90 minutes, and not many teachers knew what to do for the full time either. And Melissa Kelly, a secondary teacher, said that with the proper setting, the right students, and a well-prepared teacher, block scheduling actually can be very useful. So in all, block scheduling could actually give you more depth in the material you're actually going to be learning. And with a longer class period, it will give you more time to work on your homework, thus having less to take home, and also, which Palo Alto High School students did enjoy, matter of fact. And so with that being said, at some point in the future, if you're ever faced with this issue, I hope you guys do remember some of the stuff I mentioned to help you make your choice.